Now second part of integrals, that is definite integrals, I want to introduce you. In fact, if integration of any function is done at open-ended, it is known as indefinite. But if a real valued function is taken in the closed intervals and it is integrated in that particular upper and lower limits, then it is comes in the subtopic of integrals, that is definite integral. If gx is antiderivative of a function fx, I am saying function means real valued function defined on closed interval a to b, then the definite integral of fx over a to b is given by integration from a to b. A is the lower limit, b is the upper limit of the function fx is equals to gx from a to b, which is the value of g at upper limit minus value of g at lower limit. There is no integral constant taken in the definite integral, because if I tell you why we do not take any integral constant, the reason is if you take that is a to b fx dx, this is, and you say it is equals to what? The derivative of fx is suppose a function gx plus integrating constant c, and this is from a to b. Then first of all we will substitute b. So this will be g of b plus c, then minus g of a plus c. So obviously plus c and minus c will cancel. So this will left with gb minus ga, g of b minus g of a. So what is a definite integral? When a function is integrated in the given upper and lower limit and the integration's value is taken, lower limit's value is subtracted from upper limit's value, then the value so obtained is known as the definite integral. And as and when the problem is of definite integral, we never take any integral constant. And what is the reason? Which I told you here. If I explain you it with the help of one very short example, suppose I ask you to get the value of integration of x and the limits are from 2 to 4. If I want to find integration of x in indefinite integral, the answer is definitely x square upon 2 plus integrating constant c. But here lower limit is 2 and upper limit is 4. We want to obtain what? The value in the definite integral. So this integration will be bounded from 2 to 4. Now this value will be 4 square upon 2 minus 2 square upon 2, which is 4 square means 16 upon 2 8 and minus 4 upon 2, that is 2. So this answer will come as 6. So what is coming here? The value of definite integral of the function x in the limits 2 to 4 is 6. If you change the limits from 1 to 2, from minus 2 to 4, from 0 to 7, accordingly the final answer of definite integral will definitely change. So what is the definite integral? If we have the antiderivative of a function in the closed limits, closed interval a to b, then the value of integral at upper limit minus lower limit is known as the definite integral of the function.